What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestian Capital here. And as you can tell by the title, in this video, we are going to be purchasing a brand new FTMO 200K challenge. Now, I told you guys that I was waiting for the discount, and the discount is finally here. So we are going to be purchasing a 200K challenge from FTMO. Now, FTMO did do something very slimy. Let me sign in really quick before I show you guys. Now, what FTMO did is, so before they gave the discount, they raised the prices of the challenge so that when they gave the discount, all it did was return to almost the same price that it was before. So the price of the challenge was like $1,100. They raised it to $1,200 and something dollars. So when they gave 10% off, now the price of the challenge is like $1,090 something bucks. It's almost the original price of $1,100. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So we're going to hit new challenge. We're going to hit normal risk, 200K. And we're going to do the swing account. We are going to do the swing account. Let me pause the video real quick because it's going to show my address. Let me pause this. All right, I unpaused it for a sec just to show you guys I'm going for MetaTrader 5 and not 4. 5 is a lot cleaner and a lot more convenient. So let me go ahead and pause it again. All right, I'm back, guys. So as I was talking about, the original price was not $1,200. The original price was $1,100 and something bucks. They raised it to like 12 something, and then they gave the 10% off, which brought it back to its original price of almost $1,100. So that's something messed up that FTMO did, but again, not a big deal. I just wish they didn't do that, because that would have been under $1,000. Not a big deal. I'm expecting to get this challenge feedback anyway. So let's go ahead and confirm payments. And forgot to check these boxes, of course. Gotta check the contracts. Gotta check the contracts. FTMO has to protect themselves. So we're gonna do crypto. So you can see we've chosen 200K, swing, MT5. And the price is about $1,000. So we're going to go ahead and do crypto. I think that's the only way they have right now. They used to have wire and crypto. Right now, they only have crypto. I wish it was through card. It would have been a lot easier, a lot faster. But again, not a big deal. So let me go ahead and send the Bitcoin over to FTMO, and I will be right back. All right, guys. So I have officially sent over the Bitcoin. I'm just waiting for it to be confirmed. Let me go ahead and type my email in so that I get a confirmation or notification that it has passed through. All right, notify me. I'm not sure how long this will take, but we'll just see. Confirming. It says confirming. So right now, let's take a look at the charts. I haven't been actively trading the past couple of weeks, you could say. Just because I've been focused on honing in on my strategy and my trading plan so I can get ready for the second week of January, which is when I'm going to start trading this account. All right, again, I'm not going to start trading the first week of January. I'm going to start trading the second week of January, and I'm going to be documenting every single one of my trades to you guys. I'm going to show you guys every single thing. All right, wins, losses. I'm going to record and show you guys my P&L, the trade I took, so on and so forth. I'm going to show you guys everything. All right, just so you guys don't think I'm a fake. When I pass it, you guys don't think, oh, he faked it, oh, he over leveraged, so on and so forth. Anybody can get lucky. It's not luck, it's skill. So with gold, beautiful break and retest, just looking for a retest of the zone, which we have gotten. Now all I need is my setup. That's it. Simple. I'm not overcomplicating anything. I'm not, oh, this needs to happen, no. Break and retest. I got the break and retest. Now I'm looking for my setup to present itself. Same with GU. We got a nice break and a retest of the zone. So I'm just waiting for that. You can even consider this a retest right over here, which is beautiful. Potentially 5-minute setup. Let's see. Nope, nothing on 5 minute either. So we're just waiting for the setup to present itself. GCAD broke back down. I was expecting, so we were over here last time I checked GCAD, and I would expect a retest of this zone to push to the upside. It did not happen, but we did break back below this zone right over here. So you can potentially start looking for sales after this retest. Look for the setup to continue to the downside. So that's what I'm waiting for in GCAD. Again, I'm not actively trading. I'm just anticipating what's going to happen, and I'm going to see if it happens. I'll probably put some kind of position tool over here to see if it worked out. This trade on the NASDAQ. Let's see. This trade on the NASDAQ. I didn't take this trade, but it was a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. All right, so NASDAQ, I'm just waiting for, you could say a nice retest of this zone. Or if it comes back down over here, that would be even better. So let's wait for that. Still confirming on the Bitcoin payment. I saw that TFT also has some great discounts. Now, if FTMO could, give us a 20% off, that would be great, but they're probably not, so not a big deal. So that's what we have going so far. Hopefully you guys are doing your trading plan. You guys are getting ready for 2024. You guys don't just go into it blindly like I did last year or this year, at the beginning of this year. Make sure you guys have a plan. Make sure you guys have to have something to stick to, because if you don't, you'll end up doing anything. You'll end up blowing your accounts. You have to have structure in your trading. You have to have some kind of structure in your trading. If you don't, you'll end up doing anything, and which cause you to blow your account. And that's exactly what I did and what I'm learning from this year going into next year. So make sure you guys have a plan. Make sure you guys are executing the plan to the T. Once you know you have a profitable plan, you have a proven strategy. So that's my message to you guys. You still have, well, from the time of this recording, you still have about 3 days left to create your plan and get ready for the next year. Doesn't take that long to create. If you have a strategy already, it doesn't take that long to create. But I would advise you get a backtesting software just so you can confirm that your strategy is working, which is FX Replay. Let me go ahead and sign in. FX Replay. This right over here. Come on. So FX Replay. All right. This is beautiful. Oh yeah, there was a small change to my trading plan. The only difference is that I will be moving I wish I could have shown you guys, but I started back testing on this instead. The only difference is that I go break even at 1-to-1. So I'm using this, not this right here. These right here, this is the analytics for this right here. No break even. Break even at 1-to-1, my win rate is about 53 to 60%. And I'm up on the account probably about 15%, I think it was. So I'm going to be going with that one instead, with the break even at 1-to-1. That's the only difference to my trading plan, because I've been backtesting heavily the past 2 days. And I noticed that it's better if I go break even at 1-to-1. So you guys already know that I only go for 1-to-2s. But what I'm going to do is go break even at 1-to-1. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's see if this confirmed, because I just got a text message that my Bitcoin has been confirmed on the blockchain. It's still confirming. All right, it should be coming in shortly, the confirmation that I paid for it. So yeah, I'm going to be going break even at 1-to-1, which is going to, trading is primarily about protecting your capital. Protect your capital. So make sure you guys are protecting your capital, and make sure you guys are risking accordingly. Biggest things. If you can risk accordingly, you protect your capital, which will keep you in the game even longer. So that's my other advice to you guys, I guess. And I'm just going to pause the video until I get a confirmation, because I don't want this video to be too long. And I don't want to rant about things that are, even though the rents that I just gave you guys are pretty good. Make sure you have a trading plan. Make sure you don't over risk. I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm going to pause it and wait for the confirmation to happen. I'll see you guys in a sec. I am back, traders, and you can see invoice has been paid. Let's go ahead and go back to merchant, see if they've given us our account details yet. The payment has been approved. We'll process your order during our business hours. You'll receive your FTMO login credentials. So yeah, let's see. All right, we've gotten our login credentials 2 minutes ago. So perfect. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. I just want to show you guys that I've purchased the FTMO challenge. And again, as I told you guys, I'm going to be starting this challenge the second week of January. So this is all the proof that I've purchased the challenge. This is not a demo account. I wouldn't go through all this just to trade a demo account. All right, so I'm excited. I know I'm going to pass this challenge. I'm going to show you guys, as I said, every single step of the way. Whether I pass, whether I fail, I know I'm going to pass it, but you know, every single step of the way. So hope you guys are excited. Hope you guys stay tuned. If you want to stay tuned, if you want to get notifications, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on notifications so that you're aware of every single video that I drop within this series. So this is going to be the 200K series. You guys have seen me do the 100K, the 50K. You guys have seen me get a payout, so on and so forth. I've posted it all on YouTube. If you go back into older videos, you can see them. And that's not going to be anything different with this, except that I'm going to pass it, show you guys the payouts, so on and so forth. So see you guys in the next one, and let's get ready for 2024.